What's poppin', YouTube? This is King Brill, and this is why I hate coconut oil and how it almost destroyed my hair journey.
I'm the king right here.
Now, hate is a strong word, but for you guys to understand why I absolutely hate coconut oil, I'm gonna have to take y'all back to the beginning of my hair journey. Now, in the beginning, when I first started my curly hair journey, I didn't know much about hair. But I knew one thing, that I wanted long, curly hair, and I was willing to try anything to get it. So I done what any sane man would do. I hopped on YouTube and watched about 85 hours of content trying to find all the answers to life. So after watching thousands of channels, hundreds of hours, that don't even add up, but after watching a lot of stuff on YouTube, there were two things that I knew I needed to get curly hair. The first one was Cantu curl cream. And the second one, yep, you guessed it, coconut oil. With these two products, I thought I found God's secrets to all of life. I thought these two products were gonna be the end all be all and my hair was gonna be popping forever. I even found out a great method that a lot of curly hair YouTubers was talking about at the time, and it was called the LOCK method. The LOCK method stands for liquid oil cream. So I was strapped with this knowledge and I was ready to start with my curly hair journey and ready to on everybody with my new hairstyle. So me and my dumb ass followed the method down to a T. So liquid, I thought, hey, what better liquid to put in your hair other than water? Step 2, I doused every inch of my scalp and hair in coconut oil, hoping, praying to get that shine and get that big curly hair look. And you bet I followed it up with a pound of Cantu curl cream. I was hyping myself up like I'm finna have all the girls talking about my hair. I'm finna have all the niggas hating, talking shit. Everybody's gonna be like, yo, your hair is crazy. What happened to your hair? What'd you do to your hair? I just knew it. That's how I saw it in my mind. That's how I pictured it. So cocky because I researched and read everything I found online on Cantu and coconut oil, and they were all positive results. So when I put these things in my head, I was so cocky I didn't even look at the mirror. I went straight to school, ready to shine. So I'm on my way, I'm walking through campus and whatnot, and I'm getting a lot of looks, and everybody's looking up at my head, and I'm thinking, yeah, man, they hating on me, you know what I'm saying? They see what I got going on. And then, you know what I'm saying, it was so many looks at my head that I really couldn't take another second. I had to go in the mirror and witness what I had done myself. And when I looked in the mirror, I found a pleasant surprise. My hair was dry, stiff, dull, no curls, no lean, nothing. Everybody at school, everybody at campus was laughing at me. They laughed at me. They fried me, bruh. They fried me, bruh. They fried me, bruh. They fried me like we was at the high school lunch table. And there were a few girls who didn't try to fry me or whatever, but those girls, they pulled me over to the side, and I'm thinking they finna tell me, yeah, it's not that bad. They pulled me over to the side and was like, please cut your hair. I like you so much better when you had 360 waves. You look so nice and clean cut. Can you just please cut your hair for me, please? So at this point, I'm pissed. I'm pissed off. I'm unsubscribing for all these YouTubers that told me that this coconut oil stuff works. So I went home, I done a little bit more research, and I found out an answer, a possible solution to my problem. I found out that there are two methods. One was called the LOCK method, liquid oil cream, and the other was called the LCO method, liquid cream oil. So I figured, oh, that's why it didn't pop like it was supposed to, because I simply mixed up the wrong ingredients and used them at the wrong time. So I went right back to the drawing board and I put the Cantu curl cream in before I put the oil in. And once again, I went to school and they laughed at me. They laughed and laughed and laughed and laughed. But please understand, whatever y'all think y'all went through in your curly hair journey on your way to growing your hair out, trust me, you have not experienced the humbleness, the humility, the disappointment, the embarrassment that I've experienced. That's why I made this whole channel, to help y'all so y'all don't gotta go through what I went through. I had people coming at me left and right. Jabril, please cut that. I don't know what you got going on there, but you need to cut that. Go back to the waves, please. Man, I'm telling you, and I was ready to give up, man. So I legit just ran home, man. I was tired of it, man. I ain't talking to nobody. And ever since then, I ain't never, ever used coconut oil again. So, I know you're probably thinking like, okay, so how did you bounce back? What is the life lesson in this? The number one lesson to be learned from this, so you won't get fried at the lunch table like I did, is to understand that oil is not a moisturizer. It is a sealant. Alright, pay close attention to me. I don't care what these other YouTubers talking to you about, alright? I don't care. You can get in their comment section and tell them I said it. Oil is not a moisturizer, it is a sealant, alright? That means it does not moisturize your hair. It seals your hair in, which means whatever state your hair is in before you put the oil on it, that's the state it's gonna stay, alright? I want you to think about oil like thinking about a lock on a door, alright? If you put a dog in a room and you put oil up there, or you put a lock on that door, that dog is gonna be in that room with no water, no food, and nothing. It's gonna die, and you're gonna be the one who killed it. If you have any good reviews on coconut oil that might be different from my experiences, make sure you drop them down in the comment section below. I'm sure my subscribers would love to hear what you got to say, man. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you leave them down in the comment box below. King Brill, peace.